Alright guys, the Handyman here, and I did not have to break into this property actually. Just didn't get keys whenever the tenant moved out, but hey, it's all good. It's a simple process I'm showing you guys right now. You basically line up your drill bit right there, right beside the lock, keyhole, and just try to make it as parallel as you can on both sides, left and right side. The bottom lock is always a little harder because it's not a flat surface like the deadbolt, but you just hit a little angle on it and you should be good. Testing out the lock right there because sometimes you drill it and it works without drilling all the way, or even drilling both screws. Sometimes you open the door, but still don't got it. Just got to drill it a little bit more, and we're almost there. And speaking of drilling, Spider, that is the brand that I like to use for my drill bits. But yeah, right there I just threw the Phillip in the middle of that deadbolt striker, and basically just slide that striker from right to left, and that's what it does. And we finally made it inside the rental property. Doesn't look too bad. Gotta do my little inspection, but for right now we are going to change the locks. First things first, let's get to it. Start off by taking off the striker. Might as well go ahead and take that off, and then take off the bottom knob and the bottom striker. Let's wiggle that guy out of there. Boom. Those are the two holes right there that I'm showing you where the screws are at. And when you're installing a lock, obviously you want that side to land on the door, because if you flip it around, obviously the door is not gonna lock unless you twist the knob, and nobody's trying to do all that extra steps. Plus, it's not safe. You want to keep it that way, the round side going towards the door frame. But yeah, stick the deadbolt in the striker. So it's usually the same routine for every type of deadbolt you get. Stick the other side. Time to put the two screws in. Trying to line this guy up. Once you line it up, you see the holes in there. Sometimes you gotta shine some light in there. And yeah, pop those two screws in there. Good to go. Check it out. Time for the bottom lock. Slide that guy up in there, down the middle. Make sure the two rods align with the two holes on the other side. Go ahead and put the other side in. Pop the two screws, and that's it. The Handyman out.